Hi guys. Today, we're going to talk about public model libraries. A public model library has 20,000 plus models, offering great possibilities. But to use it effectively, you need to know how to find the right model quickly. To make your search easier, you can choose from different categories based on your requirements. You can explore various subcategories within the model library. Simply choose a category, and you'll find a wide range of models. Select the model you want and place it on the floor. On the right side of the interface, you can modify its properties as needed. You can also adjust the model's direction in 2D view. If you add a model to your favorites, it will be saved under my account, allowing you to use it in other projects. Clicking on the eye icon will display the product details. Additionally, if you have a reference image of a model, you can use the camera search feature. Simply upload the image, and if a matching model is available, it will appear for selection. You can then use it in your design. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.